You got yourself some warm air intakes.
Gotta remove this one for the charge time. Maybe watch YouTube.
You don't need that, bro. We are the YouTube then.
Probably start taking that off. And the mask as well, I guess. Just chill. That bumper delete looks good.
Bumper delete on a 335i for aerodynamics.
For less aerodynamics.
I needed better cooling.
Go full sports mode.
With the AC blasted.
Oh yeah. I can hear the back.
Turn the air off.
Let's
This thing is a spaceship.
go this way. Something came off.
Something blue.
Let's check it. Something wasn't tight. That's why we're doing the
GTR first test pool. Sounded like it was on my side.
Yeah, that was my fault. I guess I loosened that too. And we might want to tighten that a little bit. Alright, let's go back and
Alright. The build is not yet complete.
I ask you, like, did you tighten those ones?
Hey, that was your side, man. My side held up. This is Nissan GTR. Second test pass after the charge pipes blew.
Here we go again. R mode. Manual. Does it sound like that when you're in front of it too, or better?
Huh? Well, you can't tell just by revving it. You have to like actually drive it.
True, not enough boost when revving. Dang, it does sound good.
That's nice now. FYI, this is all recorded in the streets of Mexico.
In Glendale, Mexico. Sounds good.
It sounds really nice
I
now.
thought it was gonna sound ricey, but it doesn't sound ricey.
Well, it's a GTR, of course it's gonna sound ricey. CTSV.
You hear it spool up too now. It's pretty nice. He said to us. Well, they want to see us, not
They want to see us. Not gonna lie, we're kind of cute.
That was 30 miles an hour, like nothing. Just like the speed limit.
Nah, the speed limit's 60 here.
Oh yeah, that's true. Test out 0 to 60 here.
Now you just need Alpha 12 done.
From intakes to Alpha 12. That's the next step.
Alright, if this video gets 1,000 likes, downpipes are next. You gotta stay true to that, Benji.
Mid pipes. Because downpipes needs a tune.
Nah,
Yeah, it's like
you're good.
blows up when you don't tune it or something. As you guys saw, I just installed those AAM competition intakes. They're the 2.75 inches for the GTR. They're pretty easy to install, just had to take the charge pipe off. Originally they're like 500 bucks, but my buddy took them off because he went with the bigger 3-inch one. So I got them for 200 bucks, which is not bad at all. Also, he gave me them powder coated, which is nice. And he heat wrapped them gold, so it's extra protection. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.